Now we discuss lecture number 11, charts based on time scale. First, we have to understand what is a chart. So, in a simple language, chart are simply a graphical representation of a series of price over a period of time. That means every day there is a lot of data is recorded, and that data is visually represented in a form of chart. Charts are the most fundamental tools for technical analyst. As you seen on your screen, a sample of a chart, a basic chart on which we represent two scales. The first scale is y-axis, that is price interval, and the next scale is x-axis, which represent the time. So that we divide charts into two forms, time scale as well as price scale. So first we discuss with charts which have a time scale. In a chart we represent three things. First, time scale, price scale, and price point properties are used in the creation of charts. The common denominator is that price, that is typically shown on y-axis, and the time, that is usually shown on x-axis. Now we discuss in detail the charts based on time scale. The most frequent use of time scales are intraday, daily, weekly charts, monthly charts, quarterly charts, or maybe a yearly chart. Short time frames are commonly used day traders and the investors looking for a greater time frames. Say for an example, the intraday traders use intraday charts for a minute to hour, and the long-term investors use monthly or a yearly charts for a long time horizon of investment. Now for you, we simplified the time scale and we divided our charts into subcategories so that you can easily utilize and create your trading style as per your time scale. The first time scale that will show on your screen is intraday charts. That means more than a minute. He record the data more than a minute but less than a day. And the trade validity for such charts will be whole day. It means if I am an intraday trader, I am use the intraday charts. The next charts will be daily charts, we also called as EOD charts, end of the day charts. The trade validity for daily charts will be valid from a week to a month. If anyone have a more than that horizon, he can use for a weekly chart. Weekly chart trade validity are done from month to a quarter. Then the next time scale is monthly charts. Trade validity is more than a year. So those who have an investment horizon of more than a year, they analyzes the monthly charts. If you analyze the daily charts and go for a time horizon of more than a year, that is not correct. Then the longest charts will be year chart, the trade validity for more than a decade. So if I plan for an investment of more than 10 to 15 years, then I use a yearly chart. The most important point while we considering a time scale is that in any type of chart, we require a minimum 250 sample size for get a conclusive study. That means if I study a daily chart, we require a more than 250 data points or sample size data for the chart reading.